Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the basics of troubleshooting Azure DevOps virtual machines in Tamil version in my YouTube channel, Iron Tech Desktop Doctor. As a beginner, it's essential to know how to handle common issues that may arise when working with VMs in Azure DevOps. Let's get started.
One. Check VM status. The first thing to do when troubleshooting VMs is to check their status. Go to the Azure portal and navigate to the Virtual Machines section. Look for your VM and check if it's running. If it's stopped, try starting it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor issues. 2. Review resource utilization. High resource utilization can lead to performance problems. Check the CPU, memory, and disk usage of your VM. In the Azure portal, go to Metrics and review the performance graphs. If any resource is consistently maxed out, consider scaling up to a larger VM size. 3. Verify network connectivity. Network connectivity is crucial for VMs. Ensure that your VM has internet access and that it's connected to the right virtual network. You can check this in the networking section of your VM's settings. 4. Check firewall rules. Firewall rules can block incoming or outgoing